Hi, this is Dick and Jane. They're selling their beautiful home. But what real estate agent do they pick to sell it? Yikes! So many agents to choose from. While doing research on top local real estate companies, Dick and Jane discover Alton Clark Realty. Alton Clark uses 3D interactive tours in addition to professional photography and video to help sell homes faster. A 3D tour allows agents to pre-tour the properties for their clients while also giving buyers from all over the world the ability to tour the home in virtual space, which is better than being there. How amazing is that? Pre-qualified buyers doing virtual walkthroughs and even making buying decisions all in 3D space. For Dick and Jane, which agent to hire is now an easy decision. To help sell your home faster and for the most money with less stress, get a free Matterport 3D tour when you list your home with Alton Clark Realty.